Shop app tutorial. If you have ever ordered something online and wanted an easier way to track your packages, manage your purchases, and discover new brands, then Shop app can help. So it's actually from Shopify. The Shop app is designed to simplify online shopping by keeping your orders, tracking informations, and favorite stores all in one place. So in this tutorial, I will show you what the shop app is and how you set it up and how to use its main features to make your shopping experience faster and more organized. So let's get started. So first thing, download then install the shop app. So we're going to start off with installing the app. So go to your app store or play store and then just search for the shop app and you'll get this shop app here. So just install it if you haven't. So just install it, and once you have installed it, okay, so you need to like sign in or create a new account using your email address. But if you already have an account, you can simply use your credentials to log in to your account. So just first, once you have installed it, just launch the shop app. And once you have launched the shop app, next is we're going to set up your account. So first thing here is signing up. Click on get started, and then once you click on get started, it's going to take you to the login page here. So once you're on the login page here, so what we're going to do now here is simply create an account if you don't have an account. So just create an account, or you can also use your Google credentials account as well, so you can use that to log in as well. So you can simply use your email address. So what you're going to do is click on your email address, hit on continue, okay, and then complete the sign up process. So after signing up, you will get to this screen here, some similar screen here. So now we can like set up your account, like enter your basic informations like your name, shipping address, and also if any notifications for the app if you want to, so you can do that. So if you want to access your account, just click on your top left on your name there, on your initial, just tap on it, and when you tap on it, that will pop up your account details here. So now what we can do, you can just click on your account and then just add your informations here, so if you want to, so you can do that. And then here, once that's done, and if you scroll all the way down here, you can go and add in your address. Like if you make any purchases, so you want to add your address, your shipping address, tap on the address and then just add your address there. Okay, you can do that. And also for the payment method, so there is also payment method. So if you want to add your payment method, so you can simply select it when you check out next time when you make a purchase, you can do that too. So you can click on add payment and then add your payment method here. So these are the basic setups that you can do, okay, before you like actually start using the apps. So to make it will be easier for you if you like do the setting up first. And once that's done, so next thing here is tracking your orders. So one of shop app's most useful feature is package tracking. So the app can automatically detect eligible orders linked to your email address, or you can manually add the tracking numbers. So from the home screen here, you can see your current orders, the shipping status, the delivery dates and delivery progress, everything you can monitor from here. And you can simply, if you see on your home screen, there will be an options. If you have not connected your email, you can simply click on connect email. So you can connect your Gmail or your primary email here. If you collect it, so every order that you have made, let's say from not through shop app, even outside shop apps and any from any other platforms that you have ordered, so any orders that will actually, it will be like shop app will be able to pull up all those the order details here, and you can view that from the shop app within itself as well. So if you link your email address, so that's why shop app is best for tracking and managing your orders. So you can simply use the app to track all your orders and everything. So for example here, so if you go to your profile here on your top left, click on your profile, and then from there you can see there will be an order history. Click on your order history, and this is where you can find all your orders that you have made, that you have done, it's like ordered so far. So as I mentioned, if you connect your email, then it can pull up all the orders associated to an email, and it will pop up here. It will, regardless of which platform they are, you will be able to view it from here. You can just simply tap on each one and see the status of each order and what's their tracking and what's the tracking details, when is the delivery and all those things, so which is pretty good. And apart from that, you can browse and shop using the Shopify app. So if you go, so this is, if you go back to your home screen here, so on your home screen here, you will see there's a little magnifying glass, which is a search icon here. So here, if you click on it, now this will take you to this your browser category here. So here you can browse and shop for the products. So if once you tap the search icon here, you can discover, like, sections to explore products from thousands of brands. So you can, uh, browse by categories, or you can also search for specific item by, typing the name here. So just type that and you can find the products there. So you can simply search through the explore page here. So you can just click on it, and once you like something, so for example here, of like these, so once I like these item here, the product here, so what I can do, I have the option here to actually save it. So if you first, once the page loads here, so this will take you to the official website where the product is being sold. So it will take you to that page here. So once you're on this page here, so now what we can do is, so once you get to the products information page here, let's say, like, for example, this is a t-shirt, so I'll just select the size, fitting and all those things, that's fine. And if I'm happy, I can click on add to cart and complete with the purchase, like go to the checkout page and then do the complete the checkout and everything. So for example, if I'm happy with it, I can click on secure checkout, and then I will be taken to the checkout page here. So here all I have to do is I have to plug in my details, just verify if that's correct, and then I need to complete the payment. So I can just, from here you can add your shipping address, all those things, and then once that's done here, what we're going to do is, so scroll down and you go to the payment section here and choose how do you want to make the payment. So by credit card, or if you want more payment options, you can tap on the more payment options and then plug in your details, your payment details, and hit on pay now, and that's it, you've completed the purchase. So this is how you can make the purchase. And once you have made the purchase, then you can simply track and manage your orders here. So for to do that, when you get back to your home page here, you will see there is an orders tab there. So next to the search icon, the explore icon, you will see orders tab. Here you will see all the orders. So if you have just made a purchase, it will pop up here. All you have to do is tap on it and you will be able to see where is it. Or if you want to make any manage it, let's say you want to, alter it, change anything, or even cancel it or anything, you can hit on the manage your order option, and then you'll be able to manage it and make any edits if possible. You can do that. And if you want to view the receipt, you can simply hit on view receipt to view the receipt. So in that way, you can manage your orders and do, if anything needed, you can just do it from there as well. And apart from that, what you can also do, you can go and click on these following. So you can also follow specific brands, like let's say if you are interested with a brand or you shop them frequently, you can follow brands. So you can simply go to a brand, like click on it and then open up a brand, go to your brand, and then you can tap on the follow option, which is on your top left, on your top right there. So tap on the follow, then you can follow those brands. So when you follow brands, sometimes when they have deals, discounts and offers, you'll get notified and you'll get notifications based on that, and you can access all your, deals, and you're following all the stores you're following by tapping on the follow option there. And if you click on the deals tab here on your top, you'll see all the deals. If there is any specific deals or discounts available, it will pop up here and you can see. And also if it's from a shops or brand that you're following, it will also pop up here and you can see all the deals are available at the moment here. You can have a look from here. Okay. And also this side here, if you are if you saw a product and if you want to buy the product but you're not ready yet, so you can actually save it by tapping on the heart icon there, which is, it means it will be added to your save list, so you can always come back to it and complete the purchase when you're ready to make the purchase. And you can find all your saved ones here on the save tab here. So from there you'll be able to view all your saved ones here, saved items and products, everything here. And basically that's pretty much it is. So the shop app is actually a convenient tool for anyone who shops online regularly. It combines like packaging tracking, order management, product discovery, and also fast checkout, all everything in a simple and single app, making it easier to stay organized and shop with confidence.